Are your AI prompts not giving you the results you expected? Do you spend too much time rewriting prompts again and again? Well, now you don't have to. Today, I'm reviewing Pretty Prompt, a simple yet powerful extension that instantly improves any prompt with just one click. What is Pretty Prompt? Pretty Prompt is basically your prompting co-pilot. It helps you turn any rough text into a clean, clear, and effective AI prompt, right inside ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or any AI chatbot. You don't need to open a new window or switch tools. Just write your prompt, click Improve, and Pretty Prompt transforms it into something way better. Key features. 1. Improve any prompt in one click. Pretty Prompt removes ambiguity, adds clarity, and restructures the prompt so AI understands exactly what you need. It also works for all types of prompts: writing, coding, marketing, planning, or creative tasks. 2. Refine prompts for better output. The Refine mode takes your prompt and adds even more details: objectives, role assignments, additional instructions, logical components. It's like giving your prompt a professional upgrade. 3. Saves your best prompts. Pretty Prompt lets you save your best prompts into one library, so you can reuse them anytime. No need to scroll through chat history or recreate things from scratch. Great for teams, creators, marketers, and anyone who uses AI daily. 4. Access your prompt history. You can also search your previous prompts, compare improved versus original versions, and organize your prompts however you want. Everything is clean, easy, and fast. The story behind it. The founders, Eli and Charlie, built Pretty Prompt because they were frustrated with vague prompts giving average outputs. After refining over 80,000 prompts and helping more than 10,000 users, the tool is now trusted by people at LinkedIn, Upwork, Wix, and more. Security. All data is encrypted. No training on your data. SOC 2 compliant subprocessors. And every Chrome update is reviewed, so you're safe to use it. Pricing. Right now, Pretty Prompt is available for a one-time payment, $34 instead of $180. That's 81% off. If you want to grab this lifetime deal, check the link in the description or in the pinned comment section. Final thoughts. If you want clearer prompts, faster workflows, and consistently better AI results, Pretty Prompt is absolutely worth checking out. It improves your prompts, it saves your prompts, and it makes AI tools much easier to use. Hit the link below, explore the deal, and see how much time you can save.